Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Dear children, we will be discussing about in the earliest cities, right? In this lesson, we'll be discussing about two older cities, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Harappa and Mohenjo-daro.
Mohenjo-daro.
First, in this lesson, I'll give you a brief summary of the chapter. After that, we start new topic, right? In this lesson, first I explained a story of Harappan cities, right? I hope all of you remember, right? After that, we discussed about the features of Harappan cities. Then what are the features of Harappan cities? Who can answer? Raise your hand.
Can I?
Yes, Ravana.
Ma'am, divided into two or more parts.
Yes.
West was smaller and higher. It is called citadel.
Yes.
Built on raised platforms.
Built in raised platform.
East was larger and lower.
Yes.
It is called lower town.
It's called Lower Town.
The bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern.
Yes.
Baked. It was baked bricks.
Baked bricks. Okay, they use baked bricks. Bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern, right? This made the walls very strong. That they have lasted for thousands of years because of this interlocking pattern. I have shown you how they arrange the bricks, right?
Yes,
The bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern, horizontal, vertical, horizontal position, right? This made the walls very strong and it was unique to Harappan cities. Okay. Next, we discussed about one of the most famous Harappan city that has been excavated as Mohenjo-daro, right? In Mohenjo-daro, there was a special tank. What is the name of the tank?
Great bath.
Great bath.
Who will explain the features of Great Bath? If you know, raise your hand.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in Mohenjo-daro, there is a tank called the Great Bath.
Great Bath.
The tank was made with baked bricks. After the
It was made up with, or it was lined up with bricks. Right, okay.
Bricks. And then it was coated with the plaster, which was natural.
Yeah, it was coated with the plaster and made it watertight with the natural tar.
To avoid leakage.
Yeah, to avoid leakage or make it watertight with natural tar. Then, what are the other features? Okay, Ananya, thank you, dear. Geetika, tell me about the next other features of Mohenjo-daro Great Tank.
Ma'am, there are steps leading into it from two sides.
Yeah, there are steps leading down to it from two sides. Yes.
Rooms are there on all the sides.
Yeah, rooms were there on all sides. All sides means four sides of this great bath, right? Then
the water was brought from.
Yeah, water to this great bath was brought from wells.
Wells, and it was drained after use.
Yes, and drained after use. Then
it is now in Pakistan, and important people took a dip in the tank in special occasions.
Yes, and who used this tank? Only important people took a dip in this bath on special occasion, right? It was used for special religious functions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, till this, we explained the last class. Okay. Today, we will be discussing about Harappan houses, drainage, and streets. Houses, drainage, and streets. Let us see what were the features of their houses and drains. Okay. Houses. Look at the picture and tell me. Don't look at this explanation. Look at the picture and tell me. What do you understand from this picture about their houses?
Ma'am, the houses are made of
like boxes.
I don't need mass answering. One by one. I don't need mass answering. I'll give you time to all of you look at this picture and tell me. Okay? Yes, Ananta Krishnan. I will ask you one by one. Ananta Krishnan. Yes.
Ma'am, in this place, the houses are made of in a cubicle form, in the cube form.
In the cube
Or-
form. Okay.
in all cube forms, and there are, that means full of bricks.
Yeah.
That
They
means
use
there
bricks.
are,
Yes.
yes
Very
ma'am,
good.
there are no covers like for the cement and all that. It's olden times.
We
So
can't see the presence of cement over there, right? Okay.
yes ma'am.
Full of bricks. It's made up
The
of bricks.
houses made of only wood and bricks when we see it from outside.
Yes. Then. Good. Then who want to answer next?
Ma'am,
Yes, Smriti.
ma'am, like the houses are built in an in a pattern, like a interlocking pattern, and like most of the houses have there are tall walls between, like some houses, then there are tall walls around them, then there are a block of other houses, then there are some other walls around them. Like
Okay,
I
okay.
don't understand why it is
Okay, okay. Let us see later. Okay, then. Any other points you want to share with me about the houses of Harappan cities?
Ma'am,
No.
some of them have two stories.
Yes, two-story. Yes. Let us see the features of Harappan houses, right? That means,
Ma'am,
yes.
all of the houses are there are no tall houses. All of them are one story or two story, like that.
Two-story building. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, not okay. Then we see a lot of variety in the size of houses or homes in Harappan cities. Lot of variety. Okay. Then let us see what are they. Houses were either 1 or 2 stories height. One or 2-story buildings, right? Ground floor and first floor. Then some houses were small, some houses were bigger. That's why I told you, large, a lot of variety. We see a lot of variety in the size of the houses. Right? Some were smaller and some were bigger. Okay. Then rooms were built around the courtyard. What is courtyard? You have seen courtyard, right? What is courtyard?
I don't.
Out of the
Unroofed. There won't be no roof for this, right? Courtyard. I think modern houses has courtyard.
Ma'am, like without these slanting roofs, right?
Yeah, without roof, right? We allow rainwater to come down through this area. And in Malayalam we say Nalugattu. Have you seen, right?
Yes, ma'am. Now
like
my
that.
house is like that.
Oh, okay, okay. Then, for example, I'll tell you our school. It's not unroofed, but our auditorium assembly point.
yes,
It's like a courtyard, right? But roof is there on the top. But here courtyard means unroofed one, and rooms were built around the courtyard, right? Think about a school. We have classrooms on 2 sides, right?
yes, ma'am.
3 sides rooms were there, right? Here 3 sides we have rooms. Rooms were built around the courtyard. Courtyard is there. Around this, rooms were built.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, where the rooms built near the courtyard because they get the water from the rain.
Rooms. Rooms had roof. Only courtyard is unroofed one.
No, not that ma'am.
Have you
Ma'am,
seen Nalikattu house? We
No, ma'am.
call this
Yes,
Nalikattu,
ma'am.
right?
Ma'am, my house is.
Movies you have seen, right?
Yes, ma'am. My house is like that.
Same way of construction.
Ma'am, my house has a
Yes.
courtyard.
Okay, okay. If you get time, visit Smriti's house. Okay. Then, next feature of Harappan houses. Houses had separate bathing area. Not all houses, anyway, most of the houses had separate bathing area, and some had wells to supply water. Some houses had wells to supply water. So they took water from, they used water from wells. I hope all of you remember when we discussed about great bath, we learned water to the great bath to this tank was brought from wells, right? Okay. So some houses had wells to supply water. And there were large public wells and bathing areas found in the site. Large public wells were there. Each houses had bathing area and wells, and large public wells and bathing areas were there in Harappan cities. These are the features of Harappan houses. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only 4 points you have to remember when we talk about Harappan houses. Altina, tell me what are the features of Harappan houses?
Ma'am, houses were either one or two.
Either 1 or 2 storied height, right? Okay, good. Then
Rooms were built around the
courtyard. Rooms were built around the courtyard.
Houses had separate bathing area.
Yeah, each house had separate bathing area and had wells. Clear? Okay, Ashish, what were the features of Harappan cities?
Ma'am, houses were either 1 or 2 stories high. Rooms built around a courtyard. Most houses had a separate bathing area. Some had wells to supply water.
Some houses had wells to supply water. Okay. And we see a lot of variety in the size of houses in the Harappan cities. Some were bigger and some were smaller. And it had, or rooms were built around the courtyard. And each houses had bathing area, and some houses had wells to supply
water.
And there are large public or common well and bathing area. Okay, archaeologists found from the sites of Harappa. Clear? Houses features clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then shall I move to the next topic? Drain.
Yes, ma'am.
Drainage. Then drainages. What is drainage? What is drainage?
Ma'am, like the way to take out waste from.
Yeah, take out wastewater or waste things, right? It's a network of pipes or canals for the removal of wastewater. Okay, when you walk through streets, you have noticed drainage canals.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you noticed drainage canals?
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes we get bad smell from there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then all of you understood what is drainage, right? Modern days drainage system. Okay. The drainage is a network of pipes or canals for the removal of wastewater. For the removal of wastewater. Okay. Then how do you think drainage system were there 4,700 years ago? Can you imagine?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have heard that, ma'am, I don't know whether it is in these cities.
Okay.
Like in old kingdoms, like in the castle, there is a small pit in a small room, and like they pass waste through that side, and at the night when everyone is asleep, a worker comes to clean the place and all.
Yes, yes.
It was a hard thing to do.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Then, see, the Harappan cities were developed 4,700 years ago, around 5,000 years ago, right? Then at that time, well-planned drainage system, can't imagine, right? There are still, there are still so many places in India right? That have no toilet facilities, proper toilet facilities, and proper disposal of waste. Still, right? In many places. Okay. Then we cannot think, right? 5,000 years ago, a drainage system, drainage facilities were there. It's really wonderful. Okay. Let us see what are the features of drainage system in Harappan cities. See, drainage system. Look at the picture. Don't look at the writings. Look at the picture. This is the drainage canals, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what makes this picture from the first one, second one? What is the difference between the first and second
Ma'am,
picture?
the first one
And
don't.
the first
One
one,
is open, second one is closed.
One is closed drain
Yeah,
and the
second
first
one is
open
covered
drain.
with stone, right? Actually,
Yes,
this is the drainage system found in Harappan cities. Okay, this is a drainage system. I took this picture to make you clear what is a drainage system. They had closed drainage system. Clear? Okay, let us see what are the features and you will get it. You will get more idea about the drainage system.
Ma'am,
Then, yes,
ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, if the drainage, then how will the water go?
It's not clear.
Ma'am, if the drainage system is closed, then how will the water go?
Drainage system is closed means covered. Not closed, it's covered.
Ma'am, like there is a hole under and it is
No.
covered.
It's not, that's for cleaning, right? Okay. I have told you, I have asked you in the beginning, have you seen drainage in our street, drainage canals in our street? Then you said yes, right? It's covered with concrete slabs.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yeah, so this drainage canals are covered with concrete slabs. Okay, but there in Harappan cities, they use stone or some other objects for covering it. Right? Canals are there, but it is closed one, closed with some objects. Clear? And there is a way for the passage of passing water or for the flow of water. Through that, water or drainage water or wastewater will go. See this. All cities had covered drains. Covered, they not closed, covered. It is covered with some objects. Because it's a drainage hall, drainage canal, right? Waste.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, second feature is laid out in straight line. Look at this, laid out in straight line. All these drainage canals or drainages laid out in straight line. Second feature. Each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow through it. When they made this drainage canals, it gives us gentle slope. Why they gave slopes? Slope. Gentle slope means not too much slope area. A gentle slope. Why? For the easy
For
flow
the
of water.
water.
For the easy
Yes,
flow
ma'am.
of water.
What?
No?
Ma'am, the recording is off.
Clear features are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Cities had covered drains. All cities had covered drains. And it laid out in straight line. Look at the picture. All those drainage canals are laid out in straight line. Okay. Each drain had a gentle slope for the easy flow of water. Fourth feature is drain in the houses are connected those on the street. Fifth one is drains had inspection hall so that drain could be cleaned.
Ma'am, can
Can you show the screen?
Yes. Harriet, tell me what are the features of Harappan drains?
Ma'am, the cities had covered drains and they laid out in straight lines. Each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow through it. Drains in the houses were connected to those on the streets. Drains had inspection holes.
Thank you, ma'am.
All of you noted down the points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No need to copy the same points from the slide. You can make it short. Okay. When you write lecture note, no need to write all the words, all the points. Make points. It will be there with meaning, but make it short and write. I hope features of drain it's clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanish, explain the drains of Harappan cities. What are the features of drains which were found in Harappan cities? Kanish? Vrisa?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes?
can you hear me?
Yes?
Houses, cities had covered drains, laid out in straight lines. Each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow through it.
Yes.
And then, just a second. Drains in the houses were connected to those on streets. Connected to those on streets. Smaller drains led into bigger drains.
Yes.
And then drains had inspection holes.
Why? What is the importance of inspection halls? So that drains could be cleaned.
Clean.
Okay. It helps to clean the drains. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all understand features of drainage?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Harappan cities were quite advanced, right? From this discussion about about their houses, about the drainage, what we understood, Harappan cities were quite advanced, right? Actually, they do not just have a drain; they had well-planned drainage system. It was not just a drain, right? It was well-planned. And it was a well-planned drainage system, not only in one place, throughout the city. That's why I told you in the beginning, cities had closed drains. All cities had closed drains. So they had well-planned drainage system throughout the city. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's like our modern drainage system. Okay. In our cities, and people, I don't know, who all are living in city area or who all are living in city, you know about it, right? How this house drainage connected to drainage on the streets, right? Actually, from those discussion, what do you understand about Harappan civilization? I don't need mass answering. What do you understand about Harappan civilization? Yes, Ananta Krishna.
Ma'am, Harappan civilization were very advanced. That means
Yeah, very advanced.
they were like a new generation.
Okay, no
Like
generation house.
in all. That means now we say that in upcoming years there will be another generation like that.
Yes.
Like that on olden times, like Harappan civilization were the generation, the new generation,
Okay.
the next level generation of our time. So they were having many things like similar to our things that we are doing now, and means the drainage part, the house, the building of houses, the structure, all of them are similar to ours.
Yes.
That's
Then any other points? What do you understand from the discussion about Harappan cities?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes,
like,
Nurten.
they thought in from every angle. Like, when they used to just, for example, first they just laid out drains, then they thought from another angle, and then they closed it. Then, like, they think just like us.
Yes.
Like, we say that our brains get more and more more and more active when generations pass, but mostly slightly there is some difference, but still they think just like us, just that they use mud
It means
and bricks.
they were very advanced, right?
ma'am.
Very advanced.
Yes, ma'am. The only difference is they used mud and bricks and we used
Yes,
concrete.
yes, concrete. We have concrete buildings, but they use bricks, high quality bricks. That's why they have lasted for thousands of years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Natural tar.
Then any other points? One point you missed out. Think about Mohenjo-daro, Great Bath, Harappan cities, drainage.
Ma'am,
Then one hidden point is it. Well advanced, I agree with you. Well advanced cities. Well, everything well advanced. Houses, streets.
Ma'am,
They have ideas.
ma'am, most of the buildings were baked bricks.
Yeah, they use baked bricks, baked bricks, right? Okay, very good.
Ma'am,
It's okay. Then anyway, one point is missed. One point
ma'am,
missed out.
their architecture.
Oh, architect, right? Architecture, right? Okay. Then
ma'am, like, cleanliness, like,
yes. They gave more importance to hygiene, right? Do you remember the point we discussed when we discussed about Mohenjo-daro, Great Bath?
ma'am, that they drain the water
drain.
out.
Yeah, they drain out water after use. It's a very important point that shows they gave more importance to hygiene.
Hygiene.
Then here, drainage. Did you heard about drainage system in Alden cities? No.
No, ma'am.
Even in our society, in present society, in which all places you have seen well-planned drainage system?
Ma'am, only in city, like, well-known cities and
Yeah,
towns.
well-developed cities, right? But how
Yes.
is our drainage system? Sometimes it's not
Still-
properly covered, right? You
Yes,
might
ma'am.
have read in newspaper, some people fell into this drainage and got hurt, fracture and all.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
It was
ma'am,
not
still in
cleaned
some
properly.
ma'am, in some villages and some, I think, like in Delhi, that places and all, some people, poor people, like, they don't have any good facilities, including this
Yes.
drainage and all.
Even in our village, where we dispose our waste, no proper place for the
Ma'am, no
disposal of waste, right?
Yes, ma'am. We
No
throw it in
proper
the-
channels or canals for the disposal of wastewater. But they had, because they gave more importance to hygiene. Clear. Houses. Look at the Harappan cities. See,
Ma'am, it is
it
clean.
is very clean, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's look very beautiful and clean. See, all this very beautiful and clean. See, Great Bath, buildings. See the buildings. Lot of buildings are there, right? Crowded, but congested, right? Not crowded, congested. But see, drainage comes well planned. It's covered. Then drainage hall, inspection halls to clean the drainage, right? All this shows they gave more importance to hygiene. Clear? Okay. Till this we have discussed about features of Harappan cities and Great Bath in Mohenjo-daro. One of the important city of Harappan civilization is Mohenjo-daro, right? So a special tank is there, it's called Great Bath. Next we discussed about that houses, drains of Harappan cities. Did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, read the textbook, okay? Don't forget to read the textbook. Every day you must read the textbook. Today I have covered only one topic, houses, drains and streets.
Streets.
Okay? Read it.
Ma'am, streets also covered.
Yeah, it's a part of it. Streets and drains, almost clean. Clear, all streets had drainage facilities. Drains are there on all streets. Then drains in the houses were connected to, connected on those on the streets.
Smaller drains.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's a time to wind up the class. See you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.